kids are aware that drugs are bad, and they keep far, far away from them. But did you know that alcohol is a drug too? Did you know that alcohol...
Central Pennsylvania, northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Moreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lower Burrell, or near Apollo, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in outages. Locations impacted include Vandergrift, Apollo, Plum, Murraysville, New Kensington, Lower Burrell, Harrison Township, Arnold, Tarentum, Natrona Heights, Brackenridge, Ford City, Leechburg, Freeport, North Apollo, West Leechburg, Avonmore, Orchard Hills, Oklahoma, and West Lebanon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, hosting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. A strong in Pennsylvania, Armstrong, Indiana, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Indiana, Palmer City, Blairsville, Black Lick, Avonmore, Salzburg, West Lebanon, Chevy Chase Heights, Ernest, Creekside, Chiloctaw, Lucerne Mines, and Jacksonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, hosting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather.
Votre région, à 17h16, heure avancée de l'Est. Le vendredi 14 juillet 2023, une veille d'orage violente est en vigueur pour Est Thomas et comté d'Elgin Est. Forecast. Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm watch at 5:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, July 14th, 2023.
50 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Casablanca.
Jej pysznej zupie nie ruszam dupy z klopa. Ta zupa była z mlekiem, na mleko mam alergię. Po twojej pysznej zupie nie ruszam dupy z klopa. Ta zupa była z mlekiem, na mleko mam alergię. Po twojej pysznej